Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage Wi-Fi connections in Linux. On this system I am using Ubuntu, a lightweight Linux distribution based on Ubuntu. So here you can see if the Wi-Fi icon, if I right click I can see different options: enable networking, enable Wi-Fi and some other options. So if I click edit connections, you can see I have options for wired connections, and then under Wi-Fi I have different devices or options for F5 and then some other connections. So now if I want to remove any of these connections, so I can use my keyboard. So now go to next screen like add, edit or delete. I can press tab. Now I can add, edit, delete. So if I want to delete I can hit enter. If I want to edit I can go to edit and hit enter, and here you can see some more information about this. Now you can see profile name, SSID and password, so you can use arrow keys to go to move forward, and then you can use or update the password. After making your changes you can click OK or you can click on cancel. Now if you want to delete this, you can go to delete and hit enter and then choose delete. So this is how you can easily manage your connections in Linux. If you want to add connections you can click add, and you can see you have options for DSLA, Ethernet, InfiniBand and some other options. Thank you very much for watching this video.